Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website through Wix. First, you'll choose from many professional templates to begin building your online presence. Wix offers hundreds of options, so pick one that aligns with your vision. Then, you can easily customize the design and add important pages like an About Us section or a contact form to get started. This initial setup is quick and user-friendly. Once your template is chosen, it's time to personalize your site. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to arrange content exactly how you like. You can easily upload your own high-quality images and videos to make your site visually appealing. Don't forget to select fonts and a cohesive color scheme that truly reflects your brand's unique personality and style. To make your website more dynamic, consider adding extra features. Wix offers an app market where you can integrate tools for e-commerce, online bookings, or even a blog to share your insights. Creating engaging content and optimizing it for search engines is also crucial. This helps people find your site more easily, driving traffic and increasing your online visibility. The final step is to make your website live. You can connect a custom domain name for a professional touch. Before hitting publish, always preview your site on different devices to ensure everything looks perfect. Once published, your site is available to the world. Remember to promote your new online presence to attract visitors and grow your audience effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.